Ria mwisho akenya gutarwo kwari miaka 10 mihituku. Utari wa mwaka uyu ugukorwo wi wa kanana. Shiringi bilioni 18.5 nicio ikuhuthika mutaratara-ini uyu. Fata munene wa utari wa andu ari kumenya Kenya ikurite na gikiro kigana atia. Utari wa mwaka uyu ukahanika mweri wa kanana na mumirira makaumira mweri wa Dithemba.
The budgeted costs is to about 18 billion over those period of time, and I think this compares favorably with the other censuses globally.
Utari uyu ukuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu kuga turatathi na turamu hatiri handu ikuhuthika no handu-ini hauguo atari magathiururukaga micii na macukuru na macini cia tablet. Macini 164 nicio ikuhuthika.
We are alive to the fact and we are working continuously. We have some committees that we have formed. We have a data and technology committee for the census, which is very inclusive, which is looking at all these issues to ensure that we get it right. Issues of security, how do you ensure the issues of the penetration of the data, the manipulation of the data. Again, we have a whole strategy about how we should do that.
Mutaratara wa kwandika aruti wira agutara andu ukambiriria mweri wa 3 urikia mwisho wa mweri wena. Aruti wira 165 niyo makandikwo wira. Kuratanywo mwaka uyu thutha wa miaka 10 a Kenya megukorwo mongererekete na gicunje kinene kuona bururi ni ukurite na gikiro kinene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Kiriu.